It looks good from here. Tell me when you want me to start.
Start.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Thank you, our donor from United States. First of all, on behalf of this little kids and the people of Senchi, I want to say a big thank you, especially you, our donor. Through your support, through your hard work, and donation to the McNary family, now, as you can see, we have a very nice, beautiful library here. We hasn't finished yet. There is more thing to be done inside the library. And without your support, we can't do it. We need logistics equipment in the library. Equipment like a printer, a computers, projector, and some decoration in this library. We just started, and there is not enough of funds. But through your donation, through your support that we're able to set up this library, I know that God will touch your heart to continue the good job you are doing. I want to say, Medasi, Nyamishra, Akwena Mikata, Nyuma Jobu, and with your support, I'm assure you, these little kids are going to be grown up and become like the former United Nations Secretary General, Mr. Kofi Annan. And also, these little kids that you see over here, when they grow up, they will become ministers and also the leaders of this world. I want to say Aiko and thank you. May God bless you. Keep on supporting Global Volunteers. Without Global Volunteers, we can't see Doug McNary and his family over here. We can't see any Global Volunteers. So please, support Global Volunteers Initiative and God will richly bless you. Thank you.
Amen.
And also before that, I want these kids to sing a very nice song for you so that you listen to them. 1, 2.
God bless you. God bless you, Senchi Ferry.
Beautiful.
Very, very